press the bell icon and be part of our notification squad.
I'm going to call on stage two comedians, okay? Two comedians who are not in comedy because of genetics, who are so ugly that they put the in eugenics. Ladies and gentlemen, from the back to the front, can we have a round of applause for Sapan and Azeem Banatwala? And lastly, we're going to call someone special. Everyone knows this person. This person is Ranveer Singh's one true love interest and also one of the most beautiful people that we know. You guys know who it is. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, from the back to the front. Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up for the lovely and pretty Arjun Kapoor!
Last time I was sitting with three people who make South Bombay laugh. It didn't go down well for anybody, even the audience members.
Arjun and we go a long way because we had written the IFA awards with him and Ranveer.
Not this year.
Yeah, please.
Not this year. Definitely not this year.
The good one.
Yeah. Much better term. Yeah. And it was a lot of fun, because between you and Ranveer, there was a bizarre dynamic, which we saw in the room.
We realized
Which the world doesn't get to see actually.
Yeah.
The good cop, bad cop routine.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff that happens backstage in IFA is so much funnier.
Yeah.
If it came out, it'll be amazing.
See, if Ranveer had his way, he would be hosting IFA till now. We wouldn't have left the stage. Like, for Ranveer, if he thinks of something funny, he has to put it into the show.
Like, there was one time where we had written a joke about Rakhi Sawant, and he was like, dude, this is damn funny, man. Rakhi Sawant has to hear this joke. So I very sarcastically said, yeah, we should call her to IFA also for this. And he was like, abhi phone lagao. And if you don't believe it, what happened next?
Please have a look.
She was flown to another country.
Malaysia.
Yes.
But
Cheating
like,
hai.
I don't think, no, but this was not cheating because this is Ranveer's leftover carpet from his house that was put on us.
Even you got to say
Imagine Rakhi is the most well-dressed in this picture. She is actually the most
sober.
Yeah. And that says a lot about when you hang out with Ranveer Singh, what happens to your dressing sense.
No, but it's
Baba,
really-
I love you, Baba.
You have to say nice
but
things
it's
also.
really interesting. So like when we were pitching jokes in the IFA, so we had Ranveer and Arjun both there, and we had a simple formula for pitching our jokes, right? So if we pitched a joke and Ranveer and Arjun both laughed, it was a good joke. If both of them did not laugh, we were like, we will never speak of this again. But if only Ranveer laughed, then we started re-evaluating our lives. We were like, what are we doing here? Is this really funny? We don't know anymore.
At one point, Piku had worked at that point, so he said, let's get a commode on stage. So I said, okay, you really want to put like Baman Irani on a commode? So he said, yeah, and he can sing songs that you can actually equate to the commode. Na aati nahi.
And I remember one of the jokes we rejected was uske naam mein hi bum hai.
Dude, he was also like, yeah. And if people fart, we are like, Padu, kon? Really, what is this? What are these puns?
We were writing a Shah Rukh for an award show, okay? And we were forced to write this last one sponsor link, which was not funny at all. But we had to make it funny somehow, and we knew it was shit. Shah Rukh went on stage for rehearsal. He's reading it from teleprompter. He pauses, okay? He takes off his specs and he turns to us. He's like, even you guys know this is shit, right?
We're
like, yeah.
ये टट्टी है.
Like, कह दो ना टट्टी है, क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हो? So you guys are more involved in the script.
The thing is, at the end of the day, you got to do everything with honesty. You can't just phone it in. When you guys stand up here, I'm sure there's a lot of effort that goes in to make it look effortless. छिछोरापन करने की भी integrity होती है. So when you're host,
I want that on a t-shirt. छिछोरापन करने की भी integrity होती है. That sounds like something you'll find at the back of a truck.
छिछोरा with integrity.
I agree. Like that's why we like you guys, because we saw that firsthand, not even before IFA, right? During the Bang Bang Dare, right? No, 1 second. Has anyone heard of the Bang Bang Dare? You had to do a challenge, shoot a video for Bang Bang. So Ranveer Singh went to the streets of Linking, like on
Bandra, Linking Road.
And
Yeah,
it
Bandra, you know that part of India. Sea Link ke us par.
He wore a Krish mask and he danced on the road and people were like, I don't know, chutta de ki kya ho raha hai? Like they were very confused, because no one knew who he was. But you took that challenge to the next level. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
He made a video.
Oh, fuck.
And we are going to just show you that video, which is Arjun Kapoor's Bang Bang Challenge. Guys, can we please?
This is with consent of Ritik.
Hi, Ritik uncle. Thank you for giving me this Bang Bang Day. पर ये तो आपकी पिक्चर है ना, तो इसमें 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 कैसे हो सकता है? आपके पास तो
Bang, 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 bang.
This. See, this is why internet is a lovely place. Because you can forget it, but people
Your
can't.
fuck-ups remain for posterity.
The North Bombay remembers.
Wait.
But
So many questions.
Yeah.
Why?
Why? Then, as writers, who wrote this?
Yeah, that's the question. Why?
Then who wrote this?
This, an exemplary writer who actually, genuinely, and he's somebody who really is known for his comic timing and the way he writes. And he's an actor also, he's a performer. His name is Ranveer Singh. So just another example of the stuff that didn't make it to IFA.
Who is the guy in the Jadoo mask?
These famous friends of mine, another bunch of stand-up comedians. That's Rohan
Joshi.
from AIB. That's Rohan Joshi from AIB.
That's what happens after you do the roast.
But for all these like IFA award shows, no matter how much you prepare for it, there's always shit that goes down, right? So for all these, like,
And that's not their writing.
yeah,
That's just shit that goes down.
yeah, because for all the audience gags, right? People just think that when the hosts go into the audience, they ask them questions, they just think ये सब लोग मस्त spontaneous हैं. नहीं. We give them cue cards, and I was supposed to go before one of the gags to give Anil Kapoor a cue card, and he was very busy.
पागल
with
हो गया क्या?
something.
क्यों कार्ड्स की जरूरत नहीं है मुझे. Jamal, you chai wala.
He would have been like, card, cue card.
Yeah, so basically, I tried to talk to him. The short version of that conversation was "Jackass, fuck off!" Like, and he said, I don't need cue card. And when the actual gag came around, he had no idea what to do. And then Ranveer and Arjun are like turning him around very slyly and pointing him to the teleprompter, like, "Ye padna, ye padna."
Dude, that's still fine. The year before that, we wrote for Farhan and Shahid, okay? And we were doing a rap battle kind of a thing where they go into the audience.
I saw that, yeah.
And they'll ask a question in a rap form and the actor is supposed to reply. We briefed Vipasha. Now the problem is when they went into the crowd, Vipasha was not there. So they don't know this. So they do their rap like, Vipasha, batao ek sawal ka jawab, this, that. She's not there. They don't know what to do. So they're like, agar Vipasha yahan hoti, तो वो कहती, and they're reading her rap also, Shahid. But now finally, of course, this year IFA has got into a bit of trouble. Good, we didn't write it, and good, you didn't perform this time.
That doesn't absolve me of anything.
But
Or y'all.
yeah, that's true. But this whole discussion is happening right now about nepotism and stuff. Gone a little overboard, right? There's too much talk happening suddenly now.
It's not a discussion anymore now. It's become like a bunch of raging hormones going all over the place. Like literally, there's a lot of emotional context that's come into it. It's become a little too personal in the sense it's drawn beyond the conversation or a healthy debate or a discussion. But I've never negated that nepotism doesn't exist. Yes, I am born in a family that has entertained people for many years. And I'm not undermining anybody's talent. I'm not undermining anybody's struggle or anybody's journey. I don't ever compare my journey to anybody else's. Every single human being here, if you spend more than an hour with them, you will understand that this person has a journey from which they have reached here. It is not possible that everybody does not have a journey or a struggle.
Right.
Everybody has. They're still dealing with it on a day-to-day basis. So, like, I have a very small example, and I always take this example. Vicky Kaushal, you know Vicky. You guys know Vicky
Kaushal,
He's
Masan.
an actor who did Masan.
Yeah.
His father was a stuntman. He came, lived in a chawl in Bombay. For 35 years, he was a stuntman. He got an opportunity to become an action director after 35 years. Because of that, the son found a passion, said, I want to act. He did not go to people and say, I'm Sham Kaushal's son, give me a chance. He went and auditioned. He got selected by a casting director. He did a small role in Bombay Velvet. He got a slightly bigger film with Masan, where he got the main lead.
Yeah.
And after which today he is working with Rajkumar Hirani. So is that nepotism, or is that somebody's journey where he found a passion through his father's journey as well? Like the lines get blurred at some point of time. That is all I'm saying. It is not fair to turn it into a debate and just why should there be anger about this? It exists.
It's a fact.
But there are enough people defying it all the time. And there are wonderful actors who've come out of these struggles. Maybe I didn't struggle as much. I had my own journey here. I never compared mine to yours. But I don't want to be undermined on the basis of the fact that यार ये तो मेहनत ही नहीं करता होगा या ही इज नॉट डिजर्विंग इसको इसने 10 पिक्चरें कैसे कर ली यार मैंने थोड़ी ना आदित्य चोपड़ा के पे गंद रखा ए आई विल टेल पीपल ना यू एग्जिस्ट इफ यू डोंट गिव मी अ फिल्म
I think you'll get the first chance maybe. You'll get the initial opportunity. It's easier for, if you're from the Bollywood fraternity, it's easier for you to meet directors properly.
Yeah, of course.
And
I genuinely agree with. And I'm never going to deny that.
Yeah.
Listen, I grew up here, that's why I found a passion.
Yeah.
So I have an advantage of having an understanding of the business. And I'm not undermining anybody. But I do the best I can with the opportunity I got. I never take it for granted. I might be sounding absolutely illogical to all of you all, but I spoke from my heart. And I respect each and every person that comes into our fraternity. And I want all of them to do well. I want us to make good films at the end of the day. Nobody speaks about those problems.
yeah, man. I have no, but it's makes sense.
There are tears in people's eyes just now. and it's true. You have struggled. It's not like you've not. That's the thing.
Everybody has
Everyone
different,
has,
struggles.
Like, honestly, I'll be honest, okay? Like, I saw Arjun Kapoor's weight loss when he first came to Bollywood. Even I was like, oh, if he can do it, I can also do it. I tried. It didn't happen, but I tried, you know? You must have spent a lot of time, like, losing weight, right? Like, a lot of effort went into that.
पहले मैं मोटा बहुत परेशान
We have the photo.
We have the photo, yeah. Wow, just
Add to that.
Dude, see that, man.
really fucked it up here.
Why?
As in, you know who's next to me in this mind-blowing photo where I've got John Abraham's hair? From Dhoom. If you remove this, the person standing next to me is Katrina Kaif.
What?
You guys cut the wrong side of the picture. Literally. That's still one of my better fat days. Like Katrina Kaif took a photo with me. It had to be one of the better fat days. Right? But losing weight is something which, if I've inspired you, genuinely if I have, I think that's a huge accomplishment for me. And genuinely I feel that.
I should
No,
call it.
it's true. The thing is, it's also
Like imagine you're going to go out there and say Arjun Kapoor's my inspiration.
And you're like, nice joke, nice joke.
I write alpha, by the way. No, but were you called names when you were plump? Were you called names?
It was all very chill, very casual. It was very, अरे एक और normal लड़का घूम रहा है बस. इसको देख के तो हमको कोई भी joke या कोई भी नाम याद नहीं आ रहा. बिल्कुल हम बिल्कुल उसे ऐसे नहीं देखेंगे कि कुछ गलत है इसकी body में. We won't whisper in harsh tones. We won't laugh when he can't bend while doing PT.
We are laughing already. That's
Yeah, so nothing like that ever happened. Never.
But some names.
It was. I had a very normal childhood and upbringing that way. So what if I was 150 kilos? That never came in the way. Literally also, or emotionally.
What happened with you?
Yeah, it happened with me. That's what I was saying. Like, the thing is, people call you names, right? When I was fat, I had worn a red t-shirt once, and in the train, this beggar came to me, looked at me, pulled my cheek, said, "Hey, tomato," and walked away. And walked. Yeah, because I was fat and I was red t-shirt, so "Hey, tomato." That was his joke.
I have a feeling a lot of jokes will be edited from the video. They will be from this side. कैमरा अंकल आप बंद करके घर चले जाओ. वो लेंस की पेटी पैक करो. तूने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं पूरे शो में. Obviously लेंस.
Silence is the best policy.
Now that you're here, we want to discuss, like, you've done a lot of Bollywood movies and you've not typecasted yourself as one person.
No, yeah, when I started, I was just happy I got a film. Like, I gave an audition and then I got selected and Aditya Chopra ka phone aaya. And then I spoke to him and I went and it was like surreal. It was like Narayan Shankar from Mohabbat. You know, he was standing and I reached his office.
Parampara Pratishtha.
Parampara Pratishtha Anushka. यश राज के 3 स्तंभ. Aditya Chopra made me meet a director. And then that director ghassadawed me for 45 days in a workshop to decide whether he wants me in the film or not.
Okay.
So Habib Faisal said, okay, I want you to do this scene. I'm going to play the Dada in the film. My grandfather is the one who really treats me badly in the film. And I'm this prodigal son who's trying to this black sheep of the family who wants to be taken seriously. So he said, aaj scene karenge, mudte hoye.
What kind of an audition was this? What?
Yeah. And we were alone in a conference room. So he said, now imagine we're in the fields and that's what happens in small towns, you know.
Yeah.
You're not apologetic, there are no bathroom, whatever. So I was like, okay, so I was doing the scene. I was doing it and then I started saying my line. So he was standing next to me. Now just pretend to take a piss.
In front of 150 people, like,
I just did it, na.
Chalo.
See,
Sorry. Sorry, थोड़ा छोटा पड़ रहा है. We'll never get past this. Okay, so we're pissing.
हो गया. There are no single women still going to call you.
So then we're pissing.
So we're pissing और मैं हबीब फैजल हूँ, ये अर्जुन कपूर नहीं तुम हबीब हो और मैं अर्जुन कपूर हूँ. Now in the middle suddenly start sneaking in and taking a look. So I did this. My impulse was to turn away and he hit me on the head. Sorry. He said, "ए देखा ये छोटे शहर का लौंडा होता ना बोलता ये देखो दद्दा कितना बड़ा हो गया." And I swear, as funny as it sounds right now, he said, "देखो दद्दा कितना बड़ा हो गया, आपका बच्चा बड़ा हो गया अभी." I was like, shit, I would never even think like that because that is not my thought, that is not my impulse. And that is where my journey started, where I had to, I mean, he broke me down into Parma. So that was when then eventually I got Ishaqzade, तो नौकरी मिल गई. So that journey started in a way where films came to me at the right time. So your first film you don't choose, it chooses you. The second one happened to me just before. I obviously felt so excited to do another film. 2 states happened and Gunde was a dream. I mean, at the end of the day, whatever you say about Gunde, the way we were positioned, the way we were treated, the way the look was, the way everything was treated, it's everything that you need for a typical Bollywood commercial masala film. Homi Adajania came to me and offered me a film.
Finding
It was an
Fanny.
English film.
Yeah.
So I was in Goa finding Fanny and so I was in my full element and 2 states और गुंडे खत्म हुई थी लगी थी. मैं shopping कर रहा था, there was this guy who kept staring at me. So I said, okay, come. So he came and he's like, sir, I want to put my arm around you. I said, okay, chal, theek hai, okay. Now then he became very intimate. So I was like, okay, theek hai. It's Goa, what do you do now? Like, okay. So then he took a photo and all from 4 or 5 angles and he's like, thank you, sir. I loved your work in Ashiki too.
So people are not recognizing because of Finding Fanny.
Or Gunde or 2 states.
But this
But that is a nice पटाखा on your face कि सही बेटा बहुत काम करना बाकी है जिंदगी में because ये भी होगा तुम्हारे साथ.
But one thing that I have to say, like, I have respect for you because you've not only done one, but you've done 2 Chetan Bhagat movies.
took not 1 but 2 for the team.
One did 105 crores, the other did 65 crores.
अच्छा, ठीक है, तो
I think he must be calling Chetan Bhagat every day. Lick, Sahil, lick. Like he is his
वो
publisher.
तू बोल रहा है,
deadline, yes.
बोला. Sorry, तू बोल रहा है. मैं इधर अपना जोक क्रैक कर रहा था. बोल ना.
This is not EIC.
अरे बोल ना.
Now this is just Arjun versus Azeem. This is what the show is right now.
Getting communal now.
बस तुम लोग.
we've got the poster of the next Chetan Bhagat movie ready for you.
अरे
also.
माँ की यार.
Can we have it? The 3 mistakes of my life. Your newest movie, that's an all-and-out commercial comedy,
Comedy
right?
film you're doing now.
Unapologetic, unabashed entertainer. It's called Mubaraka. And in case you can't bear one of Arjun, you have 2 this time.
Double role.
Double role. And I have Anil Kapoor. Wow, player. Energy का volcano. क्या लग रहा हूँ मैं? Outstanding, mind-blowing, fantastic, superb. Take some. I'm telling you, he used to come on set and I'm just standing there and I'm just rehearsing, just getting into it. And he'll be like, just, take sa!
What is that? What is the words that he's saying?
He's just telling the director that we should do the take. So like हम लोग बोलते हैं, sir ready sir take. Take sa!
We want to discuss your best performances actually till date. Honestly, it would be the ones on Coffee with Karan.
Can we have the image, please? 4 times, not once. Last year, 4 times.
Like, why were you an intern over there? Like, I don't. Stunt double.
We made this meme.
But it's so you
had-
listen. By the way, I retweeted the meme. Just
Yeah, nice
let the
guy.
record
Good
stay.
guy.
Very sweet guy.
I didn't take offense
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah.
Some people might, but
That
I
was the
didn't.
audition for this.
But I think इसीलिए मार लो मैंने तुम्हारी बहुत मारी आज तुम भी मार लो चलता है. Yeah, but I think I need to stop making fun of myself so much because I feel people take me for granted and all because of that.
We're not even.
What the fuck is that?
That's popularity.
He just called me an intern over there. तू मत बोल तो better है.
He lives in the same building as Javed Akhtar. They'll plot like.
Yeah, we will write poems about you. अर्ज क्या है जब जब दर्द का बादल छाया
तब अर्जुन आया.
Like we've realized, right? In Bollywood, you generally have to look good all the time. 24/7, there's that perception that you have to look good, you have to dress up.
Listen, यार मेरा simple है मैं तो घर पे भी when you guys also come you've seen how I sit.
Yeah, that by the way. We went to his house last week. Okay, one person opened the door. And you walk inside and Arjun Kapoor is sitting just in his chaddis. They're like, Aajao. I'm like, what?
Wrong meeting.
Yeah, that full आओ कभी हवेली पे
Now who do I need to dress up for at home? My sister also ignores me from time to time. The guys at home have given up on me. The security guy at least gets surprised sometimes. आज साहब कपड़े पहन के घूम रहे हैं. बड़ा दिन है.
आज मूवी रिलीज हो रही है लगता है.
जीन्स पहन लिया. जूते. लगता है साहब को पैसे मिल रहे हैं बाहर जाने के लिए.
No, but the people who do use these pictures a lot are these people who make these BuzzFeed list articles. Yeah. So we found a lot of really bizarre listicles online and we made up a few and Arjun, you have to tell us which ones are true, which ones are false. Okay?
Am I part of them?
Yes.
Yep. You might be. Never know.
Okay, let's go. First one. 6 times Arjun Kapoor copied Arjun Kapoor's airport looks.
You do repeat your clothes.
Yeah.
I think it has to be false. Yeah. What rubbish.
क्या बात है?
अच्छा
He knows himself.
थोड़ा, yeah.
He's right, yeah. Next
My
one.
airport looks are not worth copying. Even I don't want to copy them again. मैं तो खुले दिल से बोलता हूँ.
Can you guess the Bollywood celebrity by just one eye?
मतलब you are too.
I don't understand.
No,
like,
this list 100%. But I like what's written below. Eye to eye. My eyes, your eyes. I want to be part of this list. And if this list doesn't exist, tomorrow make it happen.
True or false, is it?
It
I
is
have
true.
so wanted to be true.
It is true.
Yeah,
Yes.
of course it has to be.
Next, guys. 21 adorable kittens trying to act like Ranveer Singh.
Should it be Ranveer Singh trying to act like 21?
Yeah. At the same time. While he's asleep.
Okay, true or false?
नहीं ये नहीं हो सकता.
It is actually true, guys. Let's have an example.
There's one with you. This is an actual article.
Yeah, the bizarre part about this photo is Ranveer's hands are cut, so it looks like his hands are somewhere where they shouldn't be. Ranveer's thing is, oh, I found it. कोई मिल गया, मेरा दिल गया,
मैं तो हिल गया.
बड़े खुश लग रहे हो यार. अगर आप लोग भी खुश हो ये वीडियो देख के, so then please subscribe to EIC and keep watching outstandingly funny videos which I'm maybe part of and maybe not part of.